Hello folks, how are you today? So this is another quick video just for you to practice your English while I speak slowly. Today I'm here in Malta. Malta is a very beautiful country in Europe, south of Italy. It's a small country. It has 3 main islands, and it's a very beautiful place. So why am I recording the video here? Well, why not? It's a very beautiful place. It's a very calm place. Very calm place. Now here at this region, it has amazing views. So Malta is surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea. It's a very beautiful place. They filmed a lot of films here. We are at a place called Popeye Village, because they filmed an old movie from 1980, Popeye. And they created this village. I'll try to show you in front of me. It was a film set, and it's a small village with colored houses, very beautiful place. And then the film set stayed, and now it's a touristic attraction in a very beautiful place with very clear water. Crystal clear blue color, bluish, greenish, I don't know. It's very beautiful. I'm gonna try to show you. My father and my girlfriend are here. We are traveling together, and we are staying in Malta for 2 weeks. And Malta has been inhabited for many years. There are a lot of prehistoric, I don't know, monuments, temples, caves, houses, a lot of things. And let me try to show you. The Popeye village is around there. From this point here, I cannot show you exactly, but further away, I can show you better. It's very beautiful. But you can see some houses over there. A couple of days ago, we had a big storm and a lot of wind. So some of the rocks from these hills, they fell on some of the houses. So the park is closed now. The film set is closed now. So you cannot walk around there. But the view itself, the view from here is much better than probably than visiting the village. Look at where my girlfriend is right now. Very nice. And Malta is also popular because it's very beautiful, of course, very beautiful, with a lot of history. They have palaces, they have like medieval towns, and it's very beautiful, and also very popular because there are a lot of English schools here. It's difficult to walk here because there are a lot of rocks. So Malta is very popular because it has a lot of English schools. So a lot of people from all over the world come here to study English at these languages schools, schools. That's hard to say, languages schools, escolas de idiomas. And so there are a lot of tourists. There are a lot of tourists here. And so if you are thinking about to study English in another country, maybe Malta is a very good option, because it's also cheap. It's a cheap country. I mean, if you are talking about European standards, Malta is pretty cheap. Like, the prices here are okay. And so even for us Brazilians, the problem is the flight ticket. Of course, it's a little bit more expensive because you need to have flight connections. You don't have direct flights from Brazil. But the cost to live here, to buy the things here, is a little bit cheap. So it's a nice place to visit. And it has a lot of beautiful places. As I said, there are 3 main islands, so it's surrounded. The islands are surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea, and you have a lot of beautiful places with blue crystal clear water. It's amazing. And we have been here now for 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks. Next Saturday we are leaving, so we have a flight connection in Frankfurt in Germany, and then we're going back to Brazil. I will for sure miss this place. It's very beautiful. Okay guys, so this was just a short video just to talk to you a little bit about Malta, and just for you to practice English. And very important, as I always say, we never memorize everything, or we never absorb everything from the first time we are listening to an audio. So you need to repeat, okay? When you finish this video, go back from the start and watch it again. You will notice that you will understand more things. And as I always say, when we are starting to learn English, we normally don't absorb, or we don't understand 100%. We don't understand everything. So when you finish this video, go back from the start and play it again. You will notice that you will understand a lot more, okay? Just by repeating the video 2 times or 3 times, maybe 4 times, you will understand a lot more. Trust me, I know what I am saying. Oh, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, where I post English tips every day. Okay, so that's it. I see you guys the next time. Bye bye.